So I am here performing the unboxing of Boris Toledo's box, all the way from Santiago de Chile, also known as Creador. And this box has very special stuff inside it, and it has been packed for a nuclear holocaust. Let's see, but we have some implements here where hopefully we're going to be able to unbox this without taking an eternity because it's all like tape.
Just don't cut yourself, you know?
No, I'm fine. I'll try not to end up in the hospital. Okay, this is a lot of. Okay, I think we're somehow making. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. Okay. This is almost like a constructed box. The outer box is also a constructed box. So let's be careful. Oh my god, it's like we're almost there. Wow, the care with which this has been packed is pretty amazing. I made it. All right, so now let me open this beautifully constructed box. Actually, it's a made box. Oh, okay, what is in here? Wow, okay, this is incredible. This box has been made with all the shavings of the pencils, of the colored pencils that Boris has been saving through his entire life. It's pretty amazing that he saves these shavings that represent his life as an artist, actually. And so I need to be extremely careful because look at this amazing thing. It's just so beautiful. A box made of pencil shavings. Let's see what else is in here.
Julie, open the box.
I will open the box. I'm just afraid because it's such a delicate box. And I don't want to ruin it. See, oh, but it's done also with great care. So this is a picture of his doggy. This is a little doggy that apparently passed away. And so Boris had bought him a ball to play, which is right here. But the doggy got sick and he wasn't able to play with it. The doggy died. But so this is...
Oh my god, he did send
Oh my god, the Spider-Man! Oh my god!
He did send it!
Okay, so this... Maybe there you can explain to us what this means?
I'm not sure I can.
I think Boris has used this Spider-Man mask sometimes when he draws live on our live drawing performances.
Yeah,
so it's an object that he loves and that represents him sometimes, and I'm not gonna wear it. And inside the box there are some pencils, little knobs and pencils that he uses for his art. There's two more in here. Oh, I just don't want the shavings to fall. So these are the contents of Boris's box. Let's see if there's anything else.
Crazy that he sent it. Oh, the portrait.
The portrait. We asked everyone to send their self-portrait, and here is Boris, who is an amazing portraitist. He really is. He does this for a living. And he is really extremely gifted. Oh, and there's more stuff in here. Hold on. Behind the portrait. Oh, Look, this is so cool. We have. Let me take it out. There's some drawings that he has made. There is the Mona Lisa that he made for one of our conversations, the pop art conversation, which I think was the first drawing, right? In that conversation, was not the first drawing. I
Yeah,
think
it
that
was
maybe
the
that's
first.
it was the first.
Yeah, yeah.
And then some other like studies. I think these are probably stickers or photos. It says photo paper. Some copies of his art. This Van Gogh, which I think this is by the real Van Gogh, but I'm not sure. I think so. And some more Boris art. So maybe his influences, such as Van Gogh, and his amazing art. He's extremely versatile and prolific. And of course, let me show you, finally, take it out of the plastic, his portrait, which is really cool.